Hi guys, how are we doing? Okay. I'm pretty excited today, but let me talk about this week. This week from Pello Hair. Can you see how freshly customized this week came? Yes, guys. So Pello was so amazing to give us this week for my London masterclass, and you see how it came pre-plugged. This week is actually ready to install and go. However, I was teaching the class how to do a custom hairline with some strokes in it. So of course I had to change the customization on the wig. However, that wig was lush and perfect as it was, trust me. And here we are after customization, putting the glue down, the best glue on the market from Beauty by Adefunke. And now I'm cutting off all the lace, and can you see how the lace is already blended to our skin? I haven't sealed all the ends in that side, but did you see that? After creating my hairline and all of that, I finished with my melting spray, guys. But can you see this hairline? Can you see the strokes? Tidy down now, and I'm about to style. And before I forget, Ghana, what? You guys are amazing. So we officially sold out for our Ghana class, and I cannot wait to come to class. I am super excited. We created this look in our London masterclass. So Ghana, you guys are about to have the tea. Shout out to you guys. You guys are amazing. But can you see this look we created? From the hair to the color of the hair to the model to the styling to the hairline, everything is perfect. I'm literally clocking it right now. So South Africa, Zimbabwe, Cote d'Ivoire, Kenya, what are you all waiting for? Go and register now and fill up the classes. This look is definitely one for the books, because how can it be so perfect? Like, even the model's asking me, can I take you home after? Hi guys, welcome back to another slate with me. And today is Chioma's birthday. Happy birthday, my baby boo Chioma. God bless you and keep you and enrich you. You're amazing. You're absolutely beautiful. And I'm so glad I was part of the slate. Even when I saw the pictures, the photo shoot pictures, I was like blown. Like, it was so amazing. And I said, you know what, let me share the first video with my people, my loved ones, my Instagrammers. I love you guys so much. So yeah, I am doing my best. See, I know I'm a perfection, so anything I need to do to get the work done, I get it done, guys. Ventilating, plucking, you name it. And you see this glue from Beauty by Adefunke, the melt. Guys, if you're not using this glue, I'm not trying to be shady, but the melt, it can't be the same. Now I'm going in with my mousse tint. You see, this is a game changer as well, because the blend after, can you see that? Like, zoom in and look at how blended this looks from just using the mousse tint. And now I'm going to use my melting spray. I went in and plucked up, created some beautiful strokes, and this is the final melt after using my melting spray. Can you see how melted this looks? Can you see? It looks so good. And now I am styling after Tolu had done her makeup. Shout out to Tolu Felix. This makeup, it bangs. Nigerian makeup artists, you guys are the best. This look is sick. What? See, I haven't gotten over this slay. Chioma is super beautiful. I was there looking into her eyes. Like, how can someone have perfect features? Like, it's insane. Like, did you see the eyeballs, guys? I'm in love with Chioma's eyeballs. She looks too beautiful. This look was perfection. Can you see the waves? Ooh, la la. I had to zoom in so that you guys can see the edges, so that you can see that Beauty by Adefunke is not playing. Shout out to Felix Crown for those beautiful pictures, because nah, bruh, you're my brother for life. You got it right. Yeah, it was showing Chioma, and Chioma was pleased. And from every angle, this hairstyle ate and left no crumbs. It was too cute. We are shooting the midnight, by the way, but can you see how vibrant and energetic she looks? Because she was meant for the slay world. And I just had to zoom in again. Beauty by Adefunke or nothing. Go buy yours, guys, and thank me later when you slay like this.